A smart factory where all elements in the factory are organically connected and operated. Bluecore's one-stop solution makes it happen. Bluecore suggests 4 solutions. First, production execution management system and real-time monitoring system. PXMES is a system that can monitor everything from orders to delivery in real time. And PX Server can check real-time processing information through mobile and monitor, so it can make a facility plan by accurately predicting the processing time. Second, automatic electrode design and electrode shape information management. PXDev is a program that facilitates electrode modeling and editing through rapid modeling analysis and management. The PX switch can automatically print out various program documents at once by checking the shape information for electrode processing. Third, CAM automation software for standard DB, electrodes, and cores. The Power Bridge and Power Bridge Steel automate the complex processes of CAM machining for electrodes and cores, enabling rapid standardized data production. It simplifies repetitive CAM operations and processes them with automation tooling to reduce data and latency. Fourth, data transfer management and quick clamp systems. The PX list automatically edits and sets the NC data in workpiece coordinates and sends them to the facility and backs them up. In addition, blue clamps can be used efficiently with only one alignment operation in a complex process. Realizing smart factory for happy companies. Bluecore.